Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Ayiyi lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it's 180 density and it's 20 inches long. It came in this gorgeous packaging and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with 2 eyelashes, it comes with goodie bags that has hairband, it comes with baby hair, it comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with an hair clip as well. As you can tell, the hair is actually 20 inches long and the construction of the cap is glueless. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back as well, and it also comes with an elastic band and elastic strap, so you don't have to use any glue or gel to install your hair. You can easily install your hair with the comb or the elastic strap or the elastic band in the construction of the cap. This is what the hairline looks like. As you can tell, the waist pattern of the hair is popping straight from the box. So I'm just quickly going to show you guys how I install the hair. It's very easy and very straightforward, but the first thing I did was to cut the extra lace on my hair tab on both sides, although I clipped the hair up first. So as I said earlier, you don't have to use any glue or gel to install your hair, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you're going to wear your hair for a while, then you might as well follow this step. But if you want to wear it for just one day or so, you can just use the elastic band or elastic strap in the construction of the cap. So I cut off the excess lace on both hair tabs and then cut off the excess lace at the front of the hair. This is just so that the hair suits me like perfectly, if that makes sense. So yeah, I then cut off the excess lace and then applied my glue, which is by Diala Cosmetics. That's my brand. So I applied that on the forehead or the areas where I was going to place the lace of the wig, which is very easy, self-explanatory and straightforward. So that's all I did so far. And then yeah, it's as I said, I'm actually used glue because I was going to wear this hair for a while, because when I felt the texture of the hair, I really loved the quality of the hair and I thought I would be wearing it for a while, so why not use glue? And also I use glue so that I'll be able to give you more tea about the hair. Look at that. Just watch when I place the lace on the glue, it disappears. Just watch. Look at that. Look at that. Where is the lace? Please show me the lace. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Just watch how that magic happens. I love that. I actually applied 2 layers of glues. Look at that. Oh god, I love the lace of this wig. Very easy to work with and it's melted into my skin effortlessly. I applied 2 layers of the glue and I waited for it to dry clear, then placed the lace of the wig using my tail comb to press on the lace onto the glue, and it just magically disappears into my skin effortlessly. I love the lace of this wig a lot. It's so soft and very easy to work with and you have nothing to worry about. I did the same thing on the other side as well. As you guys can tell, all I did was waited for the glue to turn invisible, then place the lace of the wig exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, and then voila, that was it. And then I applied my elastic band on the hair just to further melt the hair. As you can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 13 by 4 closure, and yeah, depending on you, depending on the style you're going for. I was gobsmacked. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly, like effortlessly. So I applied the Kerikawa sticks on the hair just to flatten the areas and then saturate the parts that I was going for. So I, yep, applied the Kerikawa stick and then used the hot comb to flatten the hair bits. I actually didn't realize that I didn't spray enough on my parts, but either way, it's okay. You can decide to go for concealer or foundation to, do apply that on your parts, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But you can still work the hair without you know, applying any concealer or foundation because the lace is transparent anyway. So yeah, I decided to show you guys how I curl my hair, but in a very fast forward way because I don't want the video to be too long. But as you can tell, I'm curling the hair away from my face. The hair took to curls really well. I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair, to be honest, because I am still wearing the hair and I am loving it. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. And I love the fact that the hair does not, you know, have any nasty smell to it as well. So look at that, the curls are popping, like popping. Look at that. I love it. I really love it. So yep, that is the finished look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ayiyi lace frontal wig I'm wearing right now. I am loving this hair. This hair is actually giving gorgeous, giving stylish, giving stunning. Like, I am loving it. So I'm just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the curl pattern of the hair, guys. The curl pattern was actually amazing. Pattern of the hair straight from the box, and I love the fact that you don't really have to do much to install this hair. As you guys can tell, the hair actually has an elastic strap straight from the box, so you don't have to, you know, use any glue or gel to install your hair. You can easily install your hair with the elastic band in the cap or the elastic strap in the cap as well in the construction of the wig. I love the fact that the hair is actually beginner friendly, so you don't have to, you know, worry yourself or stress yourself in regards to installing the hair. And another thing I love about the hair is the fact that the curls are popping straight from the box, so you don't have to curl the hair or chong it straight from the box. As you guys can tell, when I sprayed the heat protection spray on the hair, the curls were popping, so I don't actually need to, you know, curl this hair. But as always, I have to do it to show you guys if the hair took to curls or not. And as you guys can tell, the curls were popping like straight from the box. I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well, and I love how voluminous the hair is. The hair is actually 180 density, and in my opinion the hair is definitely true to length, and also definitely 180 density, if not more, because the hair is really full. I'm loving this hair. I love the fact that I can actually manipulate the curls as I want to frame my face, if that makes sense. I also love the fact that the hair has some luster to hair. It's just like my natural hair but ironed with spray. I love the texture of the hair. Super soft, very silky, and very easy to work with. And another thing I love about the hair is the lace of this wig. The lace of this wig is really soft, and it's very easy to work with. As you guys can tell, the lace melted into my skin effortlessly with this wig, and I love the fact that it was very easy to work with. No stress at all. It melted, like melted. So that for me is just amazing. And if you guys don't know Ayiyi hair, Ayiyi hair are hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, and they have colored wigs, they have curly wigs, they have hairband wigs, they have all types of hair on their websites. And the fact that they always have offers on their websites even makes it more amazing to shop with them. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is just amazing. In UK, you definitely get your hair in 4 days, so that for me is just amazing. One of those things I love about the brand anyway. The thing I love about the brand is the fact that their packaging comes with amazing goodies that you can also use to install your hair, which is really amazing in my opinion. I really recommend this hair. So lately I would definitely recommend the hair based on the fact that the quality of the hair is just amazing. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. For the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any of that. So for me, the quality is just amazing. Look at that. The hair is really full and very voluminous. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever, and the hair is super duper soft and took to curls really. Definitely recommend Ayiyi hair based on the fact that The quality of the hair is amazing. The lace is really soft and very easy to work with, and I love the fact that their shipping was really quick. In terms of their quality, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the lace of the wig, how easy it is to work with, is definitely AA plus for me. And the fact that the hair took to curls really well is definitely AA plus for me. And the fact that the hair is true to length and the density is definitely 180 is definitely AA plus for me, meaning you're definitely getting what you're paying for and more. So I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Ayiyi hair. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.